People think the difference between a normal drinker and an alcoholic is simply just by how much they drink. But for me, that wasn't really the case. Before I got sober, I drank every day, pretty much every day, for about 8 years. Some days it might have been 2 or 3 pints, very rarely. Other days it could have been 10. The real problem was that once I started, I couldn't predict when I was going to stop or where the night was going to end. Someone else could just have 2 or even 1 and decide they've had enough and go home. And to me, that was just fucking mental. I didn't see the point. But sometimes I'd make the same plan. I also have a couple of pints after work. And then once that first sip has happened, that plan's gone completely out the window. I'd want another. Then I start thinking about cocaine if I didn't already had it. Most of the time I'd have already had it. And suddenly I'd just then disappear. I'd be calling in sick the day after. And even when I wasn't drinking, I'd be working at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning, and all I'm thinking about is finishing so I can drive as fast as I possibly can do to get me to the pub. And other than costing money, it was just damaging my mental health. And it had just taken over my life, just like the cocaine did. And that's the difference for me. It wasn't just drinking too much. It was losing the ability to choose what happened once I'd started. And alcohol wasn't always the main problem either. A lot of the time, it was just how I escaped anxiety, depression, being stuck in my own head. It gave me a chance to forget those things for a short period of time. So, alcoholism isn't measured by drinks, how many drinks you have. Sometimes it's measured by how much the drink actually controls you.